One of the best side hustles if you have no money and no experience. To start, simply pick a niche that you are interested in or have knowledge in. For this example, we're going to look at dogs. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and look for affiliate programs in your niche, and as you can see, I have dozens upon dozens of affiliate programs I can join for free and earn commissions. All of these companies are willing to pay you a simple commission just to advertise their products, guys. It's that easy. Simply look for an affiliate program that has a really good commission rate. This can either be in percentage or an actual dollar amount. When you find the right affiliate program, simply go to the website and just join the affiliate program for free. Then you'll get your affiliate link and you're ready to start promoting. Next, we're going to go to youtube.com and you're going to go ahead and search your niche, and you're going to look for videos that are under Creative Commons, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to download some of these for use of our content. Lastly, go to tiktok.com and create a niche account for your affiliate offers. Boom, here's a TikTok account with the exact same procedures I just showed you how to do, and all of this will lead back to the affiliate.